Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to do this checker design in Aari and decorate it. This video is very beginner friendly, so please watch the full video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Let us start with the line. I am going to make a border design here. You can make it on your sleeve or on the edge of your top. I want a checker design of 3-inch width, so from the line I am making dots in the 3-inch distance at random points. So by joining them I get a border of 3-inch width. To make the checks, I'm going to keep a dot or smaller line in the 1-inch gap, 1-inch distance, like this. Do it on both the lines, facing inside. So whatever is the right opposite, you have to go for the second point on the right of the right opposite. Whatever is the straight dot, you have to go for the second right dot of the same. I'm just going to extend it a little more to make more checks and show you how to do this design. For both the sides that is the case. You may start from the topper line or the lower line, whatever it is. You have to join it to the second right of the straight opposite one. When you're making a border, you may not have dots to join every line, so it's okay even if you're joining on one side. I will show you how to fill in the gaps. I mean at the edges, how can you make a smaller checks, single checks. I will show that. So here I have got my checker design drawn. I'm using Apsara glass marking pencil for drawing. You can use chalk, the tailoring chalk also. That the width will be bigger, so be careful. And here I'm using tulip number 14 needle. And this is my zari. I have already shown in the tricks video how to make the border lines look better. But you have to make 2 lines of border in the opposite directions. So one line now I am making in the clockwise. second one in the opposite direction. So I'm just going back to the starting point. You can see now it looks very thin, but after making the second line it looks better. So this is how I did it. So this is over. I'm going to end it here. The same way I did for other lines also. There is only one left along with the border line. So this is how you can finish them off, and you can stick the stones at the junction points of two lines and leave it. If you stick the stones with the holes, you can stitch them. The stone, how to do the stone work, I have shown in my separate video. The link is in the description. And here also, this is to decorate in the center of the check. So you have the hole and you can stitch it off. And here you also the smaller stone that is, and this is bigger. And I want to complete this check, so I am going to make one more line that would close this off. On the opposite direction also. From the nearest junction of two lines, you just have to mark 1 inch, because we have taken 1 inch checkers. Here also, from this point I am going to mark 1 inch and join it and do my chain stitch on it. When you are doing it on sleeve, you might face this kind. So know this point, it will be useful for you when you are doing on your clothes. So I have completed one. You must go out of the joining line only and finish. If you are finishing inside, the check will not look complete. So everywhere I am going to finish outside of the check only. Here and here also. Okay, here I have just stick the stone. From there also you can make one line of 1 inch and join them and make one more check. I'm not going to do this in video, I'm just giving an idea. So you can stitch it all around and decorate it. Here for this stone I'm going to work with the stone chain all around the stone. How to stitch the stone chain I have given in the separate video also. The link is in the description, please check that. You can stick the stone in the near the junction points of two line, but stick and stitch the stones and in the center you can stick bigger stone and do stone chain or the beads work, or just stick the stone and leave it. Here I have taken the zari of the stone color itself because I don't want it to look odd, and I just completed my stone chain work around it. Here I'm not going to do anything all around the stone, I'm just going to stitch the stone, that's all. There are too many ways you can decorate, combine more than one, or you only in the edge of the stone you can stitch one little bead and give it a one more new look. It's all up to your imagination on how you want your cloth to be designed. So here I'm not going to stitch the stone by going all around with the chain. I'm just going to stitch it only near the hole and end it there. Okay, here near the hole I just started and made a chain inside the hole and stopped it there itself. I'm going to stitch all around the sugar beads. Bead work also I have given in a separate video. So I just completed it. Here also I just made a chain stitch all around, and this is stone chain work, and here I made beads work. These are all some of the ways to decorate at the center of this check, and here I'm going to show the bead work. You can take round beads, antique beads usually go well with the checker design. Here I have taken antique beads, round beads, and also cone shaped beads. I'm going to show the both. Here I just stick the bead, and if that is outside like this, from down you can just take it to the bottom. See, I see the antique round beads looks better than the cone one. So these are some of the ways how you can decorate your checker design. From here also you can make one more check and decorate, that's up to you. Even in the border design you can decorate with one line of beads. I'm just reminding you that whatever is the straight point, you just have to take the second right. First you just have to make the width and make the points in the equal distance and join them as I shown in this video. So this alone, or this work alone, or this beads work alone, whatever you want you can do for your cloth. Otherwise you can combine more than one, like beads work and checker and the stone and beads, like that you can combine more than one work and decorate your beads and your design. So this is all about this video. I hope you liked it. Please comment and share. Thank you.